In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you manage operations or personal planning. Now head to the space where you want your finances to live. Spaces are perfect for keeping budgeting work separate from other projects, so choose a dedicated finance or personal space to keep things tidy and permissions clear. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to add something new. Click it to open your creation options, then move into the Templates area. Templates will save you time and give you a structured starting point, so you don't have to build budgets from scratch. In the Templates window, use the search bar and type Personal Budget Plan. This pulls up a pre-built setup designed specifically for tracking income, expenses, and monthly goals. Select the Personal Budget Plan to preview what's included. You'll typically see ready-made fields for expense categories, amounts, due dates, and statuses. Take a moment to scan the layout so you know how it will organize your data. When you're ready, choose Use Template. Confirm that the location is the space you opened earlier, so the list lands in the right place. You'll be prompted to enter a list name. Pick something clear and time-bound, like Monthly Budget or Budget 2026, so it's easy to find later and easy to duplicate for future periods. Consistent naming will help you compare months or quarters at a glance. After naming the list, click Use Template again to create it. Once the list is built, you can start customizing without changing the overall flow. Adjust categories to match how you actually spend and save, refine labels to align with your accounting terms, and review any custom fields like amount, frequency, or payment method. If the template includes statuses such as planned, due, and paid, keep those. They're helpful for tracking what's upcoming versus what's complete. If you prefer, you can rename them to match your process. As you begin entering items, group recurring bills together and note due dates so they roll up in your calendar view. Keep income entries separate from expenses for clean reporting. Use descriptions to add notes like account numbers or invoice references, but avoid storing sensitive information directly in task titles. Finally, once everything looks right, save the layout as your standard so future budgets stay consistent. That's it! Your personal budget plan is now live in ClickUp and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.